Hello everyone. After we took some tutorial to share you our idea about how to make the flower decoration item, we found that the fabric are also very important part to use on the decoration field. So we are going to develop some fabric item. I remember I made a tutorial before to share you how to DIY the chair decoration, the chair sash, by using the Ruffle fabric. On this video and on the following video, I will show you how to use the fabric to decorate the table. Okay, now let's get it started. To start a new item, we have to get reliable factories. After contact several factories, we pick 3 of them and customize some tablecloths. On this video, I will show you how the tablecloths made by this 3 factory. And for the following video, I will show you how to use this tablecloths to make the decoration, to show you our idea about how to decorate the table with the tablecloths and our flowers. Okay, let's check it one by one. First, this one. Look at it. This is a customized tablecloth. Okay. Look at this. The fabric is not okay. This is the fabric, very thin and transparent. Look at this. Not suitable to use for the tablecloth. Maybe it can use for the inner layer. And there's 1 or 2 or 3 layers of some net, some sash fabric. That will be okay, but just use this fabric as a table to make the tablecloth. The fabric is not good. In fact, this fabric is not suitable to use to make tablecloths, but it's very suitable to use as a backdrop, to make the backdrop, because backdrop need to use a lot of fabric, but this kind of fabric was very cheap in price, so it will help you to cut costs. I remember I have an old tutorial to show you my idea of making the backdrop by using this fabric. If you are interested, you can check the old tutorial. Okay, this is what after I put on the tablecloth. I picked these factories because their idea is really good. Look at it. This is one-piece design. The sweat already served on the tablecloth, so it will help you to decorate the table, to make your decoration much more simple. Just put on the tablecloth will be okay. One-piece design. But I won't use this factory anymore. I'll tell you the reason. First, the fabric is bad. Second, the most important, the serving skill is really poor. They give me the picture to show them to show the design is very beautiful. But look at this. The outcome is really bad, quite different to the picture. Oh, look at this. The sweat, the serving is really bad. It's not as pretty as the pictures they show me. The third, look at the tablecloth. The size is larger than the measurement I give them. Actually, the tablecloth a little bit larger than the table. It's not a big problem, but the reason of the larger is because of the poor sewing skill. The handcraft is not working for the price. That is the reason I won't use this factory anymore. But the sweat idea is really good. So I think I will take another tutorial to show you how to DIY the sweat instead of customize in a very simple way. If I post this tutorial, I will add the link here. So you can link to the new video by click here. If I post the tutorial, I will add the link here. Okay, but please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement, because I will take revenue from YouTube so that I can get money from them and buy more material and take much more tutorial. Okay, please help. In fact, this kind of fabric used to make the it will be no problem to use this fabric to make the sweat. I will take the video to show you, but it's not okay to make a tablecloth. Look at it, it's very transportation. And also look at the sewing craft, it's really bad. That is the reason I don't use this factory anymore. Look at this. I think it's really not okay. I don't accept this kind of quality. Okay. Complete with this factory. Okay, let's go with the second tablecloth. This fabric is good. Very thick. This fabric really good. I make 2 tablecloths. I make 2 tablecloths from this factory. One is 1 piece. This is the basic tablecloth. The fabric is good. Look at the sewing skill. It's good also. I make 2 tablecloths. One is 1 piece with the dead face fabric, and this just a table skirt only, because I will show you my idea. My idea is because this is customized item, your measurement information are very important. If you're confident with the measurement, you can make this one piece table curls. But if you worry about the measurement, in order to avoid the table size, the table curl size not match with your table size, so you do not make one piece table curls. You can use one piece, the separate table curls, one piece just for the dead face, and put the table skirt around the table will be okay. I will show you two of them on the separate tutorial. Okay, now let me show you the effect after I put on this one piece table curls. Okay, this is what after I put on the table curls. Look at this. This one is much more better than first one. Look at the fabric. Look at it. The face is a little sparkle, brighten. This is the inner face. This kind of fabric is a little more expensive than the fabric on the market because it's thick and brighten. This kind of fabric very suitable to use to make the table curls. And look at the sewing skill, it's really good. Look at this. The size is good. I think a little smaller than the table, but it's acceptable. It's not because of the skill problem. The hand clasp is really good. Remember I showed you the first one. Look at this one. The sewing is really good, and they already cut the other fabric. Okay, let's compare with the first one. This is the first table curls. Okay, this is the inner side. Look at this. They already cut the rest fabric, but the first one, that is why I said the quality is bad. Look at this fabric. They haven't cut it off. So you know what I mean. But this one really clean. Okay. This is the second factory's fabric, table curls. This factory is good, so I will take it as my supplier. Then let's go to the third factory. The third factory, in fact, is just a table skirt. This is the ruffling fabric. I already made a tutorial to show you how to make the chair decoration with this Ruffles fabric, but this time, but for the other tutorial, I will make the table curls, table skirt. Look at this. The fabric is good also. Look at it, it's thick. A lot of factory using a very thin fabric. Some maybe sash neck material. It's not good, but this kind of fabric will help you to make the shape. Okay, since this is the table skirt only, and this fabric really match with this table clothes, so I will take another tutorial to show you how to use this table clothes and this basic table clothes to decorate the table. I will show you by separate video. Okay, this is my idea. It's not an official make. I will take a separate tutorial video to show you how to make the ruffle table skirt in detail. If I prepare the video and post on YouTube, you can find the link by click here. I will add the link here so you can see the video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you please kindly do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement when you watching my video, because I will take revenue from YouTube and use that money to buy more material and take more video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your support and thank you for your watching. Bye bye.